follow me on TikTok? Aventador SV. Or red with some HRE. That amazing interior. What's up, y'all? Today we are taking the Lexus IS 350 out for a drive to a sunset exotic car meet. If y'all do enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next time, and let's get into this. Yeah, do I look like a dork? W. So yeah guys, today we are driving the Lexus to an exotic car meet at Sunset. I'm gonna be driving there, showing y'all the drive, showing y'all some of the cars that are at the event. We're gonna be doing a little walk around of the event and then driving back home. And yeah, let's get into it. Yo! I follow you on TikTok. You follow me on TikTok? Hell yeah, bro. Thank you. Making it to the big leagues. I'm making it to the big leagues. I'm getting recognized and downshift on the Tesla. Let him know what a real car sounds like. Damn, alright, parked up the Lexus. I mean, it's not a fire lane, nothing that says no parking, and there's nothing left, so I'm gonna just leave it here. So let's go look at some supercars. Yeah guys, we got a bunch of supercars out here. Looking like a pretty sweet event. I mean, this event is packed, y'all. It is just so many supercars out here tonight. It is ridiculous, man. Look at this. Some track cars. Aventador SV. Got the doors up. Beautiful interior. Got another beautiful Aventador. Red with some HREs. Bunch of carbon wing. We got some nice Lambos here. We got a Huracan Technica, Huracan Performante, and we got a McLaren 720S. Got some Porsches over here. Got one you can ride on. I definitely got a ride on this one. We got some classic cars right here. Nice beautiful Porsche. Very, very nice Datsun. I love this car. Nice purple, nice interior, little Momo wheel on there. Got a whole lineup of Vipers. I'm gonna go through these. Got a red Viper, black Viper,
I left that out.
yellow Viper, silver Viper, blue Viper, silver Viper, and then a fake German Viper. Beautiful E39 M5 R34 GCR.
Love cars.
Beautiful engine bay on this thing. Some nice T37s. Got a Corvette. Got a Silvia. Oh my, that's a nice looking Silvia right there. Some Nismo wheels. Pink Corvette. Just a nice looking Corvette. I like this thing. Big wing on the back. That's a crazy looking Corvette, man. Got this Huracan rolling in. Nice yellow. Wow. Porsche carbon wing on the back. Such a nice looking car. Got a Shelby Cobra. Fat supercharger on the top. Some Audis over here. Really like the blue on this Audi. Whole bunch of Audis, man. Big old lineup of them. Nice green X5M. I love the green on this like Such a nice green color. Got this absolutely beautiful Miata. Love the color. Confetti seats. Such a nice build. Got a R35 GTR, S15, M2, which I did ride in. I rode in this dude's car. It's really, really fun. Really fast car. I mean, this thing pulls. Got two M8s right here. Got the pink one and the silver yellow one. I mean, this is a nasty duo right here. This is a beautiful 300 GTX. I love the like tri-tone color. Really beautiful engine bay. We got this really, really clean blue McLaren. I love this like frozen blue. It has like a matte satin type of blue. It's a really beautiful car. Got the doors up so you can see into that amazing interior. Got a Huracan, a Vuelto, very nice Vuelto, 720S. Let's go take a peek at the interior. It's a drop top. Got nice little suede buckets, carbon on the wheel. Such a clean car, man. I love McLarens. I really hope I can get one of these someday. One day I'll get one. One day I'll get one. Got a Ferrari, and in my opinion, these are the worst interiors on supercars. That's my opinion. I just don't think it looks good. Like, what is that? I mean, I'm judging a car. I drive a $13,000 Lexus. Who's the real winner? Right here, we got arguably one of the coolest cars here. Got an AMG wagon. You don't see these a lot. You don't see these a lot. I love pizza with a burger on the plate. That's interesting. But I mean, these things are sweet. I love wagons. Down here we got another AMG. Got a McLaren. Then we got the 992 911 GT3 RS. Porsche GT3 RS. I got the wing out. Z06 Corvette with a really nice wrap on it. I love that wrap. Nice color. All right, y'all. That is it for our little walk around this absolutely crazy supercar and exotic car meet. We're gonna look at some exits, watch some cars send it on out of here. So let's get on to some exits. That is the end of today's video. Took the Lexus out, took it on a nice drive. We got to see a bunch of supercars and watch them drive out of the meet, get some sends, hear those amazing V12s, V10s, V8s, the turbos, the everything, man. Just the beautiful supercar and sports car exhausts. And yeah, I had a great time. I hope y'all had a great time watching this video. If y'all did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment what y'all want to see next. I really do want to take y'all's ideas and start doing them over here with my Lexus IS 350 or just anything in general on the channel. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.